What are you doing? Daniel. You're gonna hurt somebody. Where's your chair? Where's your chair? Daniel. Hey, where's your new chair? Look, you wanna come sit in your chair? Come here. You wanna go sit in your chair? Got a big boy chair. Here's Daniel's room. Still gotta finish putting some stuff on the walls and clean his room. Oops. Okay.